Okay, I'm out here today with Ed and Jesse, and you go out in the summertime and put the numbers on the curb. How much have you guys been able to average an hour as far as a profit goes
Yeah, we've averaged about 40 to 50 dollars an hour
doing it?
consistently.
And so what you've done so far is you've put like ads on Facebook and things like that,
Correct.
and just you collect the orders up, then you map them into a mapping program and stuff like that. We just made a video of Jesse doing the installation on the numbers here. Um, are you happy with the way that the business has worked out, and do you have a fair comfort level with your son going out and doing it?
Yeah, he has learned to install the numbers neatly. The customers are extremely happy, and often he receives tips. And yeah, he knows what he's doing and making good income that he couldn't make any other way.
And so you're saving up this summer, Jesse, for what?
Well, right now I'm just waiting until I'm 15 for a car.
So you're saving your money up for a car. And so this summer you guys are going to go out and put some flyers out and try to make a little bit more money and put some money aside for the car. So basically, this is a great idea if you're just doing trying to earn money for a summer vacation for a car, if it's something you want to do full time. Thanks so much, guys.
Thank you.